All right, Abhishek, what mindset are you taking into this Goa Super Show?
To get better from last show I competed in. And I guess I'll be better in terms of physique and posing and stage presence. I guess मेरी stage presence थोड़ी lacking थी तो वो better होगी इस बार.
कुछ तो मेंटली बदला होगा क्योंकि आप इतने शोज कंसेक्टिवली खेल रहे हो, तो कुछ तो मेंटली बदला होगा कि इस गोवा शो में ऐसा एक शिफ्ट लेके आ रहे हो.
I was more consistent with posing. जो मैं पहले नहीं कर रहा था, थोड़ा स्लैक कर रहा था कि कोई बात नहीं, आई हैव अ गुड फिजिक तो मैं बस जाके खड़े हो जाऊंगा तो इट्स बेटर, बट वैसा नहीं करता है वर्क. वो मेरे को 2 बार कम्पीट करके पता चल गया. तो दिस टाइम आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं बेटर प्रेजेंट कर पाऊँ खुद को. इट्स वन थिंग टू हैव अ बॉडी, इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट टू नो हाउ टू प्रेजेंट इट. तो इस बार वही शिफ्ट है कि to get more focused on presenting yourself better on stage.
What made you decide to compete इतना ज़्यादा consecutively, show after show?
Because I was already ready, and then it takes from off season to on season around 6 to 7 months to get prepped for a show. So I was thinking कि एक साथ ही खत्म करता हूँ and then I'll take a longer 1 year break और फिर उसके बाद next year देखूंगा compete करना.
तो इतना लंबा एक prep sustain करना mentally आपको कैसे affect करता है? Like what was like the toughest part about it?
It's not tough actually, क्योंकि मैं ये सोच के खुश हो रहा हूँ कि after 29 I'll be eating more. So I'm more excited about things that are about to happen next than just worried about कि अभी क्या होगा, कि मतलब prep में क्या होगा. और मैं ज़्यादा खा रहा हूँ तो it's okay for me. और मेरी एक habit है कि I just eat 2 meals a day. तो I guess वो मेरे को favor कर दिया है कि I can just eat 2 big meals and I'll be happy about it.
In terms of the sport, how has bodybuilding changed your life?
I was mostly a strength athlete first, कि मतलब मेरे को बस strength के लिए work करना है. Now I think it's more about sculpting कि आप अपनी weak points कैसे better कर सकते हो. तो it's more about symmetry in bodybuilding than just brute strength. So this has changed in sense, this gives me something to work towards. वरना everything I guess I feel content in everything else, but यहाँ पे ऐसा हो गया I felt a challenge that I have to overcome. जैसे मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकता कि you know you snap your fingers and then things just work out for you. But bodybuilding it takes time. अभी भी I have few things that are lacking in terms of bodybuilding. So it will take a year. वो मैं speed up कर ही नहीं सकता वो process anyhow. So I have to go through this process. So I like this challenge जो मेरे को मिल रहा है and it's exciting for me.
This is a challenge people take for themselves only. It's not given to them. तो सीबम का एक quote है, pressure is a privilege. What do you think about that
exactly. quote? मैं उस quote से पहले ही मैंने सोच लिया था कि I would say कि I have this privilege to take on challenges that I want to take. But then again, you create a life जहाँ पे you feel privileged. और वो बनाने के लिए you have to go through things ना. वो privilege भी तो आप attain तब कर पाए हो when you have worked towards it. ऐसे ही नहीं मिल जाता किसी को. और अगर किसी को मिला भी है, suppose someone is born with a silver spoon या फिर golden spoon, तो they have to work harder to live up to the expectations. अब ऐसे देख लो, अब अमिताभ बच्चन है and then अभिषेक बच्चन उनका बेटा, तो a bigger role to play ना, bigger shoes to fill. सचिन का बेटा है, a very big shoes to fill. तो it's one thing कि आप देख के बोलोगे यार उसका बेटा है, इसका बेटा है, but it's completely another from their perspective.
That's amazing, Abhishek. Thank you so much for talking with us. We won't take more of your time. I know you're depleted and everything. We'll talk more after the show, but sure. I want you to zone in, lock in, and give it your best because it's probably the last of the year.
Last of the year.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.